Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the right tools can make all the difference in the kitchen. From handy gadgets that save time to innovative products that simplify your prep work, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore some of the best kitchen gadgets available on Amazon to help streamline your cooking process and bring joy back to meal prep. And as always, all the links are in the description down below. So let's get started. Open cans effortlessly with this smooth touch electric can opener. Designed to eliminate sharp edges, this automatic opener uses a smooth cutting mechanism to safely open both standard and pop-top cans with the push of a lever. The extra tall design accommodates larger cans, while the sleek black and chrome finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Ideal for those with arthritis or anyone who wants a faster, safer way to open cans, this tool makes meal prep a breeze. Shredding cooked chicken, pork, or beef has never been easier with this twist-action meat shredder. Designed for efficiency, it quickly pulls apart cooked meats in seconds, saving you time and effort compared to using forks or knives. The widened anti-slip mat ensures it stays firmly in place while you work, giving you better control. Whether you're prepping meat for tacos, buffalo chicken dip, or meal prep, this tool delivers consistent restaurant-quality results. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's built to last and is completely dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Create healthy, homemade snacks with this multi-tier food dehydrator, perfect for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even jerky. Featuring 5 BPA-free trays, it offers ample space to dehydrate different foods simultaneously while ensuring even airflow for consistent results. Adjustable temperature controls let you customize the drying process, whether you're preserving seasonal produce or making nutritious on-the-go snacks. The transparent trays allow you to monitor the progress without opening the unit, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Take hands-free cooking to the next level with this automatic pot stirrer. Perfect for soups, sauces, and stews, it self-adjusts to different pot sizes and stirs at variable speeds to prevent sticking and burning. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, and the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're multitasking in the kitchen or just want to avoid constant stirring, this tool is a convenient way to keep your dishes evenly mixed and perfectly cooked. This set of 3 collapsible colanders is a space-saving essential for any kitchen. Designed for versatility, it includes 2 large 4-quart strainers and 1 smaller 2-quart option, making them perfect for draining pasta, rinsing fruits and vegetables, or washing grains. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, they are heat-resistant and durable while remaining lightweight for easy handling. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, and the flexible design allows them to collapse flat for convenient storage in drawers or cabinets. Prepare fresh, restaurant-quality fries at home with this heavy-duty stainless steel potato cutter. The sharp 1/2-inch blade effortlessly slices through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and other firm vegetables with minimal effort. Built for durability, its sturdy design ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for easy operation. Whether you're making homemade fries, prepping veggies for salads, or cutting ingredients for stir-fries, this cutter saves time and delivers consistently even cuts every time. Maximize entertainment in compact spaces with this 15.6-inch flip-down TV, designed for kitchens, RVs, and yachts. Featuring a 90-degree rotation for adjustable viewing angles, it tucks away neatly when not in use. The digital noise reduction ensures crisp picture quality, while the integrated storage design keeps it sleek and unobtrusive. Whether you're catching up on shows while cooking or adding convenience to your travel setup, this space-saving TV enhances your experience without taking up valuable counter space. Quickly and safely remove corn kernels from the cob with this efficient corn peeler. Its sharp Japanese stainless steel blade effortlessly glides through rows of kernels, making meal prep faster and easier. The Y-peeler design provides optimal maneuverability, while the non-slip ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even with wet hands. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, this kitchen tool is a must-have for making fresh salads, salsas, and corn-based dishes with minimal effort. Effortlessly open stubborn jar lids and bottles with this discreet under-cabinet jar opener. Designed for convenience, it mounts securely under your cabinet, keeping it hidden yet accessible whenever you need it. Perfect for those with weak hands or arthritis, it provides a firm grip on lids of all sizes, requiring minimal effort to twist them open. Whether you're tackling a stubborn pickle jar or a tightly sealed soda bottle, this tool makes opening containers frustration-free. Enjoy the fun of roasting marshmallows indoors with this tabletop electric s'mores maker. Equipped with a flameless heating element, it provides a safe and controlled way to toast marshmallows to golden perfection. The set includes 4 trays for holding graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, making it perfect for family nights, gatherings, or parties. Compact and easy to use, it brings the nostalgia of campfire s'mores into your kitchen without the mess or hassle of an open flame. Easily open jars of all sizes with this automatic hands-free jar opener. Designed with improved torque, it grips and twists even the most stubborn lids with the push of a button. Perfect for those with limited hand strength or arthritis, this electric jar opener works effortlessly on a variety of jar sizes. Compact and easy to store, it's a must-have kitchen gadget for added convenience and independence when handling tightly sealed jars. Whether you're in a hurry or struggling with a tight lid, this tool makes opening jars effortless. Effortlessly season your meals with this gravity-operated electric pepper and salt grinder set. Featuring adjustable coarseness settings and a built-in LED light, these battery-powered grinders let you control the flavor with just one hand. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the automatic operation ensures smooth, even grinding every time. Whether you're cooking or dining, these grinders provide precision seasoning at the push of a button. Perfect for home chefs who love fresh ground seasoning without the effort of manual grinding. Keep bananas fresh and protected with this set of 3 BPA-free banana storage cases. Designed to prevent bruising, these sturdy plastic carriers fit most banana sizes, making them perfect for lunchboxes, travel, or outdoor adventures. The secure snap closure keeps the fruit safe from squishing while on the go, ensuring your snack stays fresh and intact. Whether you're packing a school lunch or a hiking snack, these reusable banana keepers offer a simple and effective storage solution. Say goodbye to mashed bananas in your bag and enjoy a fresh snack anytime, anywhere. Monitor your cooking with precision using this wireless meat thermometer designed for grilling, roasting, and barbecuing. Featuring a 500-foot remote range, it connects to an easy-to-use app on iOS and Android, allowing you to track cooking temperatures without staying in the kitchen. Pre-programmed settings for various meats take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfect doneness every time. Whether you're grilling outdoors or slow cooking indoors, this smart thermometer delivers reliable results with minimal effort. With its accurate readings and convenient alerts, you'll never overcook or undercook a meal again. Enjoy perfectly melted butter at the push of a button with this cordless electric butter sprayer. Designed for even distribution, it sprays a fine mist of butter onto popcorn, toast, vegetables, and more, ensuring every bite is coated without the mess of spreading. Compact and easy to refill, it quickly heats and melts butter for instant use. Ideal for home cooks and snack lovers, this convenient sprayer elevates your meals with a touch of buttery goodness. Whether you're hosting movie night or making breakfast, this tool ensures perfectly melted butter every time. Enjoy chewable restaurant-style ice at home with this portable nugget ice maker. Producing ice in just 6 minutes, it delivers up to 34 pounds per day, making it perfect for parties, RV trips, and everyday use. The removable top cover allows for easy cleaning and refilling, while the built-in auto-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance. Compact yet powerful, it includes a basket and scoop for convenient serving. Whether you're making refreshing drinks or keeping food chilled, this ice maker brings efficiency and convenience to your kitchen or outdoor gatherings. Slice bananas effortlessly with this quick and safe banana cutter, designed for perfect even slices every time. Ideal for preparing snacks, fruit salads, and desserts, this tool is great for both kids and adults. The easy-to-use design eliminates the mess and hassle of cutting by hand, making meal prep faster and safer. Whether you're topping cereal, baking, or making smoothies, this gadget provides a simple and efficient way to slice bananas with minimal effort. A must-have for any kitchen, it saves time while ensuring uniform slices for any dish. Easily prepare avocados with this all-in-one avocado slicer that splits, pits, and slices in seconds. The stainless steel pitter removes the seed with a simple twist, while the slicer lifts fruit from the skin in perfectly even pieces. Featuring a comfortable non-slip grip, it provides control and precision for hassle-free prep. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, this tool makes enjoying avocados easier than ever. Whether you're making guacamole, toast toppings, or salads, this slicer simplifies the process while reducing waste and mess. Core and slice fresh pineapples effortlessly with this stainless steel pineapple corer. The ratcheting, non-slip knob allows for smooth, continuous rotations, reducing strain while cutting through tough fruit. Measurement markings help prevent piercing the bottom of the shell, ensuring clean, even rings every time. The detachable design makes it easy to remove slices and clean after use. Compact enough for drawer storage, it includes a safety cap for added protection. Whether you're preparing fruit platters, cocktails, or desserts, this tool simplifies pineapple prep with minimal effort. This powerful milk frother is a game changer for coffee lovers who enjoy cafe-quality drinks at home. With its ultra-fast motor, it effortlessly creates rich, creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and more in just seconds. seconds. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the included Duracell batteries ensure you can use it straight out of the box. Whether you're whipping up matcha, hot chocolate, or frothy coffee, this handheld mixer delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Plus, its compact size makes storage easy, and cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse the whisk under running water. A must-have for anyone who loves a perfectly frothed drink. Slice through meats, bread, and more with ease using this cordless electric knife. Designed with serrated edge blades and an ergonomic handle, it offers effortless cutting for turkey, ribs, fillets, and even foam. The included safety lock ensures secure operation, while the easy assembly and storage case keep everything organized. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or crafting, this knife delivers precision and convenience in every use. A must-have for any kitchen, making slicing effortless and smooth. Transform kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer with this smart indoor compost bin. Featuring a 4-liter capacity, a built-in timer display, and 2 detachable carbon filters, it eliminates odors while efficiently breaking down waste. Perfect for countertops, it offers an eco-friendly solution to food disposal, helping reduce waste while enriching your garden naturally. Compact yet powerful, this compost machine makes sustainability simple and hassle-free. Say goodbye to food waste while creating healthier soil for your plants. Prepare delicious cafe-style egg bites at home with this sous vide-style egg bite maker. Designed to cook up to 9 servings at a time, it's perfect for quick breakfasts, snacks, and even desserts. Keto and paleo-friendly, this appliance makes it easy to create protein-packed bites without the need for boiling. Whether you're making meal prep easier or exploring new recipes, this gadget ensures fluffy, flavorful results every time. Enjoy fresh, homemade bites that rival your favorite coffee shop. Make eating spaghetti fun and mess-free with this electric twirling fork. Designed for effortless twirling, it helps kids and adults enjoy pasta without the hassle of manual twisting. The automatic spinning mechanism ensures noodles wrap neatly around the fork, reducing spills and sticky fingers. A fun and practical gift, it adds a touch of novelty to mealtime while keeping things clean and easy. Great for pasta lovers who want a hands-free twirl with every bite. Add a whimsical touch to your kitchen with this Nessie-inspired soup ladle. Designed for both charm and function, it features a long neck that peeks out of the pot, making it easy to grab while cooking. Sturdy and practical, this ladle stands upright on its own, keeping counters clean. Whether you're serving soups, stews, or sauces, this adorable kitchen gadget is a must-have for anyone who loves fun and unique utensils. A delightful conversation starter that brings joy to every meal. Create bar-quality cocktails at home with this automatic mixology machine. Simply insert a pre-mixed drink capsule, press a button, and enjoy perfectly crafted cocktails like margaritas, martinis, daiquiris, and more. Designed for effortless entertaining, this sleek home bar gadget ensures consistency in every pour, bringing the experience of a professional bartender right to your kitchen. Elevate your gatherings with a push-button cocktail experience that's both convenient and impressive. Enjoy indoor grilling without the smoke using this electric smokeless grill. Featuring a non-stick cooking surface and an adjustable temperature knob, it allows for precise heat control from warm to sear. The removable water tray minimizes smoke, making it ideal for apartments or indoor cooking. Whether you're grilling steaks, vegetables, or burgers, this appliance delivers that delicious BBQ flavor all year round. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, making mealtime even more enjoyable. Cook smarter with this air fryer that offers 12 customizable functions for roasting, baking, and frying, with little to no oil. The 5.8-quart capacity makes it perfect for families, while smart controls let you operate it via Alexa or Google Assistant. With an intuitive design and online recipe access, meal prep becomes effortless and healthier. The detachable basket ensures easy cleaning, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy crispy, delicious meals with less hassle. Keep meals warm and ready to eat with this portable electric lunchbox. Designed for work, travel, and road trips, it features an 80-watt heating system and 2 stainless steel containers for convenient meal separation. With a 1.5-liter capacity, it's perfect for heating up home-cooked meals on the go. Whether you're commuting or on a long drive, this self-heating lunchbox ensures a hot, satisfying meal anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to cold lunches and enjoy fresh, warm food wherever you are. Extend the life of fresh herbs with this innovative herb saver. Designed to keep herbs hydrated while preventing them from being crushed, it features a BPA-free, clear windowed shell that fits easily in any fridge door. The breathable design maintains optimal moisture levels, keeping herbs fresh for longer than traditional storage methods. Whether you love cooking with basil, cilantro, or parsley, this sleek and functional container is a game changer for preserving flavors in the kitchen. Blend your favorite shakes and smoothies with ease using this portable blender. Featuring a 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup and lid, it's it's perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The durable stainless steel blades deliver powerful blending performance, allowing you to make smooth drinks in seconds. Whether you're mixing protein shakes or fresh smoothies, this compact and lightweight blender offers convenience and portability without sacrificing blending quality. It's the ideal solution for quick, mess-free drinks wherever you are. Elevate your drink experience with these silicone ice ball molds, designed to create perfectly round ice balls for whiskey, bourbon, or cocktails. The set of 4 molds comes with secure lids to ensure your ice stays in place while freezing. These molds create larger, slower melting ice balls, keeping your drinks chilled without diluting them quickly. Whether you're enjoying a classic whiskey neat or crafting an elaborate cocktail, these molds make a stylish and practical addition to your barware. Shred meat like a pro with these Mountain Grillers meat claws. Made for pulling pork, beef, and other meats, these claws are essential tools for BBQ lovers. With their sturdy design, they provide a strong grip for shredding meats right off the smoker, grill, or barbecue. The claws are ideal for creating pulled pork, chicken, or brisket with ease, while their ergonomic handles ensure comfort during use. Whether you're cooking up a feast or preparing meals for the week, these meat shredding tools will get the job done quickly and efficiently. Make drying dishes a breeze with this roll-up dish drying rack. Designed to fit over the sink, it provides a convenient space to air dry dishes, pots, and pans. Made from durable stainless steel, it's sturdy enough to handle heavy cookware, yet it rolls up for easy storage when not in use. This foldable dish drainer is perfect for maximizing counter space in small kitchens, and it's an ideal solution for easy dish drying with minimal hassle. Open jars, bottles, and cans with ease using this versatile jar opener. Designed for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone with limited hand strength, it helps get lids off without frustration. The multifunctional opener can tackle a variety of jars and bottles, making it an essential kitchen gadget for anyone who struggles with opening containers. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for individuals of all abilities, ensuring a stress-free experience when cooking or preparing meals. That wraps up our roundup of Amazon kitchen gadgets that are sure to make your cooking life easier and more fun. With these must-have tools, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome kitchen tips and reviews. Have a favorite kitchen gadget of your own? Drop it in the comments below. Happy cooking!